going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlight on a Ford Contour. It happens to be a 99 model, but it's probably the same for most years. The first thing that you'll notice, you'll have a couple screws you got to take out. You'll have one here, which basically all you need basically is a flathead screwdriver that you want to just loosen this screw right here. Once you get that one out, you'll have another one that's over here that you'll use a flathead screwdriver with also. That you just want to take this screw out, and once you have those two screws out right here, then you'll have another screw that's down here. You don't have to actually take this screw out. What you want to do is just loosen it so the light will slide out. I'll show you. So I'm basically going down in here. Hold on. And kind of loosened it a couple times. And once I did that, I didn't take that screw out, I just loosened it. Now what you'll be able to do is just to slide your whole light assembly out like that. And once you have it out like this, now to change out your bulbs, which you have different ones. You have one here, as well as a turn signal over here. So to change them out, it's just like typical. You just want to turn it like this, and it'll pop out like that, and then you'll be able to basically push that on the back and unplug it like that. You'll have your light out. And when you put your new one back in, the same process. Take the light, push it back in until you hear a snap. That tells you it's in. Put it back into the opening that you took it out of, and then turn it in like that. And if you want to actually remove this whole light assembly and put a new one in, all you have to do now is just take out each one of these light bulbs, and then your whole light assembly itself will be free, so you could change it out for a different light assembly, which is this whole piece right here pretty much. And then when you want to put it back in, this piece right here is to see where it has like the little U opening. That's what you're going to slide back in there up underneath that piece there. Like that pretty much. Then you want to put your screws back in. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your light assembly on a Ford Contour. Alright, thanks folks. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.